It's getting dark pretty early now, and I definitely need a better lighting solution for my garage shop. All I had until now was a lamp that I took from my old kitchen. It's time to change that. I plan to cover only the working area of my shop in the beginning. I found that I'd need around 120 lumens per square foot. It will be 12,000 lumens for my main working area of roughly 100 square feet. I bought 6 inexpensive LED lamps that are designed for wet and dusty environments. Each of the lamps should give almost 2000 lumens. Multiplied by 6, it gives exactly how many lumens I need. I decided to install only 4 lamps at first, because I wasn't sure about the best layout. I knew how I want to locate 4 of them, but the other 2 can be located differently. The installation process is very straightforward. In my case, I just needed to secure small metal clamps on the beams on my ceiling. Then a plastic base simply inserts into these clamps. For the wiring, I bought a few small junction boxes where I'm hiding all the connections. Please make sure you are switching off fuses before you're dealing with any electrical cables. After some time, I was finally finished with everything. A few words about the costs. For this upgrade, I bought 6 lamps for 12 euros each, 4 junction boxes, and I used roughly 5 meters of cable. All in all, it cost me 78 euros and 20 cents, which is about $82 US. I'm very happy with the result, and I hope now I have a decent light for making videos even when it's dark outside. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.